It's 7:30 in the morning. Today, we move forward from Jispa to Leh.
Yes, loud and clear, buddy. अल्लाह तो शॉर्टकट होता है सीधा नीचे जाएगा दिख गए आप चलते हैं
ਹਾਂਜੀ ਕੀ ਹਾਲ ਹੈ ਜੀ ਸਭ ਓਕੇ
ਵਧੀਆ
ਓਕੇ
ਸਭ ਓਕੇ ਆ
ਪਹੁੰਚ ਜਾਓਗੇ ਲੈ ਅੱਜ ਦੇ ਅੱਜ ਹੀ
ਹਾਂ ਕੋਸ਼ਿਸ਼ ਇਹੀ ਆ ਤੁਹਾਡੇ ਨਾਲ ਹੀ ਆ
ਚਲੋ ਚਲੋ ਆਜੋ ਫਿਰ ਅੱਗੇ ਰੁਕਦੇ
ਚਲੋ ਚਲੋ
On the radio, Sanam keeps reminding everyone to stay hydrated. It sounds simple, but that was the key. That one habit kept us healthy and fit throughout the entire journey.
ਪਿੱਛੇ ਵਾਲਾ ਸ਼ਾਰਪ ਸੀਗਾ ਨਾ ਭਾਵੇਂ ਸਾਹਮਣੇ ਵਾਲਾ ਵੀ ਕਰ ਦੇਣਾ ਸੀ ਕੋਈ ਚੱਕਰ ਨਹੀਂ ਚਲਾਇਓ ਨਾ ਅਗਲਾ ਵੀ ਕਰਦੇ ਆਰਾਮ ਨਾਲ ਆਈ ਆਰਾਮ ਨਾਲ ਕੋਈ ਨਹੀਂ ਠੀਕ ਹੈ ਸਿਸਟਮ ਇਹ ਵੀ ਬਿਲਕੁਲ ਆਰਾਮ ਨਾਲ ਚਲਾਓ ਹੌਲੀ ਹੌਲੀ
Sanam, the crew, and the convoy took a few shortcuts, real time savers, and honestly a lot of fun. But this is something you try only if you truly know the terrain.
चलो हेलो फ्रेंड्स पानी पी लो मैं लेता आपको लिस्ट दे रहा हूँ जी लिस्ट दे रहा हूँ आपको जाना गड़बड़ हो रहा है
Somewhere in between, we took a short break. Lemon ginger tea in our hands. Simple, refreshing, and exactly what we needed before crossing the passes ahead. After a long day on the road, we are finally somewhere close to Leh. For the night, we have finally reached our stop, the Fortune Resort, owned by a close friend of Sanam.
I'm always there for him, 100% surety for him, ताकि उसको यहाँ आए लद्दाख में आए वो मतलब उसको 100% कोई प्रॉब्लम ना हो.
बहुत सोना बनाया यार ये भाई सारा आपके अच्छा मस्त है बंदा अंदर भी है ना सारा अच्छे के दोनों साफ आप रहा है
It's a calm evening. As the sun sets, the crew gets together to plan for tomorrow, the recce day, aligning on how we move forward.
My only thing is I'll do a fucking long run up and then just whack.
It's a massive undertaking, and as I say, it's taken a year for him, for everyone in his team to put this together. So I think that itself speaks to it.
So, you have to maintain a drift angle through the 100 meters.
50.
50 meters. You can't have a flip.
He said not allowed. Not
No flip.
That is the, for example, you started it from here
And then 20 meters.
and you keep it.
It's a difficult one.
Okay, now for example, right? You have to start deeper. Onto the right hand, very close to this point, this edge. Pull it hard and take it as deep as possible into this. Keep it going, and you finish it. It's possible, man. Come on. Just look at it as an arc like this. See, Sanam, now I come back to the point we're creating a Guinness World Record. People who make world records are special people with talent in them, right? So let's look at that point. We're also here because you have talent. And we want to explore that talent. Otherwise, everybody in this room would have a Guinness World Record, right? So there's going to be some problems. There's going to be hardships. So we will have to fight it. We will go and we'll do it. So we will go to that point and we look at it. Third gear entry into that point, one gear down, pull a handbrake, go as deep as possible to that where the umbilical stone is, and then
If you come from here also, we don't have a problem.
I know.
That is not shooted.
It's not a problem.
That is not a shooted. आपका जब इधर से आएगा ना, इसके 1 मीटर यानी पकड़ो कि 5 मीटर पहले you need to start drifting.
and you
Before the start line.
get into that. Before you enter the 50 meter point, you should have a 30-degree angle.
तो जो ऊपर वो एक बोर्ड लगा है ना, नाउ यू आर हायर देन व्हाटएवर माउंट एवरेस्ट बेस, हाँ माउंट एवरेस्ट बेस कैंप, वहाँ पे आपको अनलोडिंग का भी जगह है. मैं तो बोल रहा हूँ ट्रक उधर ही रुका दो.
ठीक है, वहीं रोकते.
ये तो सिर्फ रिकॉर्ड होने तक है. आप देखना इसके बाद रिकॉर्ड होने के सनम आपको सनम नहीं दिखेगा. बेवफा सनम हो जाएगा. बेवजह सनम. बिना बात के ले रहे क्या चल रहा है सनम? रिकॉर्ड आपकी कि किसी और की थी? क्या थी?
Good morning. Good morning.
Good morning.
Give him a rough idea. Let's say around 3-4. Tell him we have to do our recce. So it'll take us time. Act like you.
Where we parked, there was a GTR park over there. And sir had already gone.
No, sir, we'll still be very careful about it, sir.
हाँ, अगर आपको हल्का सा भी डाउट है तो वहाँ पर एक 268 यूनिट है.
अच्छा.
वहाँ पर आपको एमआई रूम है.
ओके.
आप वहाँ पर आ जाइएगा.
ओके. उमलिंगला में है सर?
उमलिंगला के रास्ते में आता है. आप यहीं से जाएंगे ना फुक्से से.
हाँ जी.
बाकी कल तो आई विल बी देयर पूरे टाइम. ऐसा कोई इशू नहीं आने दूंगा.
ओके.
टेक केयर. बट आज का यही है कि एम्बुलेंस लेके कल रात में इमरजेंसी आया तो मैं नीचे आ गया.
ओके.
आई वाज इन्फॉर्म कि आपको इवेंट वाले दिन ही चाहिए.
राइट सर, राइट. ठीक है सर, नो प्रॉब्लम. तो अभी फर्स्ट तो विल बी केयरफुल अबाउट एवरीथिंग दैट वी गोना अटेम्प्ट टू. और हम 10 मिनट से ज़्यादा रुकेंगे नहीं सर.
एक्स्ट्रा केयरफुल. हाँ, एग्जैक्टली.
हाँ जी.
10-15 मिनट से ज़्यादा प्लीज मत रुकिएगा. वो जगह भी ऐसे नहीं है, आप समझ जाएंगे.
समझ गए
लाइक है नहीं.
हाँ. नो सर, मोस्ट
Acclimatized individuals find it difficult to stay for more than 15 minutes there.
Right.
उनको भी ये high altitude illnesses, hypo वगैरह हो जाता है.
Right.
बहुत जल्दी सीरियस होता है.
Koyul was our base for the night. But such roads pulled us forward, straight to Umlingla for the recce.
Deep can come, Sam can come. We take 2 cars.
Two cars, whoever can fit in 2 cars, 8
हाँ तो सर ठीक है, let the Wrangler be here. ਨਾ ਜਿਨ੍ਹਾਂ ਨੂੰ ਉੱਤੇ ਕੁਝ ਹੈ ਨਹੀਂ, ਉਹਨਾਂ ਨੂੰ ਲੈ ਕੇ ਜਾ ਕੇ ਤੰਗ ਕਰਨ ਵਾਲੀ ਗੱਲ ਹੈ. ਸੋ ਜਦੋਂ ਨੂੰ ਉੱਤੇ ਉੱਪਰ ਲੈ ਕੇ ਜਾਣ ਦੀ ਲੋੜ ਨਹੀਂ ਹੈ ਠੀਕ ਹੈ because he's not going to get any data right which we don't we just need to like जंगल वंगल या कोई yeah उतना जानते कोई सलाह करनी है कुछ देखना है तो that I can make a video and share with them also ना कोई इतना ना मेजर है नहीं Guys, if you think you are not needed, please get into one Innova and head back. The Wrangler is going back. The seats at the back, they can 2 to 3 people can fit in the Wrangler. Rest one Innova can head back. What hotel are they going watching?
Top of the world. Top of the world.
हाँ ये bro यही corner था वो, but this is fuck. Umlingla Pass boys.
Are you serious? आ गया?
हाँ.
बड़े बम्स ज़्यादा नहीं है बहुत ज़्यादा ये इतनी
ये
चल रही है
इतने
ना
नहीं
तो
थे।
वो जंपे मारने लग जाएगी
Don't take Umlingla lightly.
Park.
Bhai, this is perfect.
See, this won't be possible. And मैं आगे वाला बोल रहा हूँ, ये देखो.
Snowing.
दोस्त है ना यार तेरे साथ सीखता है
It's snowing. Bush, what he's seeing right now, this is what is best.
वो देख.
नहीं वहाँ से तो वो आएगा यहाँ पर करेगा पास पे.
So वो भी देख, वो कॉर्नर है पूरा and he can.
नहीं ना जगह नहीं है भाई वो दोनों poles है ना. There he can only gain speed. And at the
I can
pass
come
is-
and go down
Yes.
Yeah.
Yes.
जी फॉल बड़ा गंदा है there is no margin for error over here
There is nothing.
see you have to also cater for something if the car dies out I am in motion if I my brakes or something is broken I don't know I've not checked it where is it going to go and crash that's very important more than anything else
Bro, there is a turn there ahead. वो जो दिख रहा है ना,
हाँ.
उधर तक चलो एक बार.
केस हार्नेस होती ना तो मैं फिर भी पंगा ले लेता कि चल बचा लेगा मेरे को गाड़ी खत्म हो जाएगी बट आई विल गेट माय इंजन गियर बॉक्स एवरीथिंग आउट ऑफ इट नो प्रॉब्लम
बराबर.
Gives me a lot of confidence.
you are saying where you are right now where I am it is 50 meters
From that. Guys, slow movements, everyone. Don't rush, don't run, don't climb.
guys please everybody move slow no rushing yeah
Yeah, the worst part is I can probably come down from there if it doesn't work from up because I can carry speed and downhill में मेरे को drag बहुत लंबा मिलेगा. I can just slowly power out of it and then either then I'll see both sides but we'll have to mark it both ways.
Yeah, but I mean, okay, fair enough. Even coming downhill, where Nag is standing, to achieve an angle more than 30 degrees, post that is still not very easy. Because you'll completely be like, it'll be an angle in which you can't go straight anymore. It'll be an angle where you'll continue going, just to carry the 30 degree, finish the 60 degree, and you'll completely stop sideways in the middle of the road.
it's not difficult but it's not
Easy either.
it's not easy it's just it's risky more than anything else fuck man this is a tight one वहाँ रोड पतली हो रही है मेरे भाई
हाँ.
I was concerned because I knew his determination, his sense to achieve something. He will not stop till the time he achieves.
that's the only way I can
No straight exit basically, just keep sliding sideways.
and I let the pull the handbrake let it wank till here and pray to God doesn't hit this
अरे यार
नहीं ना वो आएगी तेज मान से भाई
वो तो नहीं हिल सकता था ना.
because that's my only concern
Put tires over there, something on the other.
my other thing is then I pull the handbrake even if I cross my front tire goes till here I'll lose 30 degrees I think should be counted
You should be able to fit your car with
Yeah.
from there to here is almost 4.5 meters.
कितना फीट हुआ वो
4.5 meters.
Yeah.
4.5 meters is 3.5 is
About 14.
14 feet the car is 16 and a half feet that's what I'm telling you but at the same time I would want to park one car here if I hit the car, it's not going to go, it's going to stop me. But if I have nothing over there, I'll probably go down. Something has to be put up here. You understand? If for example, if I bounce out of the rut, देख मैं रट में हूँ अभी, मान ले वो grip लेके bounce out of the rut, then what?
Park your Hilux here. You want to go to the top and check out where Umlinga the wood is?
Yeah.
That's one other place. See whether we can do the same thing there.
Sir, I have a better idea.
Yeah.
We take this corner into that thing. It's also possible.
That's a good idea.
But
I don't have to fucking throw this post down. That one we can throw down. So let's. Ishan, this looks much better here.
They're going and more.
And I have more apex on this road and I can pull the handle, drag it up पूरी गैस पे. पर उधर वो डेड जोन चाहिए होगा मुझे थोड़ा सा. वो टायर फेंक देना अपन 2-3 वहाँ.
from a layman perspective, this is better.
Because it's safer.
better, yeah.
And for me to take this corner is easy. Yeah. Guys, इसका यहाँ पे काम नहीं है. Let's go. अभी क्या okay. सगन भाई, आज की.
लो मैं कर दो सर जी.
Thank you भाई. मेरे भाई.
Ask the team to come with the camera.
Yes.
All of this, please. He's marking it. Ishan bhai, you only step Balwan, tu idhar aaja. So, Ishan bhai,
Yeah.
you will.
इसका भी.
Shoot this. Shoot this. When he.
As a person, like if I believe that I can do 3-4 more things, I should step in because this is where it matters, you know. You have to step in. You say, okay, I'm going to do this. I've got the drift box happening. I've got the painting happening. I've got. I mean, technically a lot of things that are happening side by side, but you have to have a clear mind, a goal, a vision, and once you have that level playing field, it's quite easy to do.
Keep your backside.
จบมาถึงตอนนี้เขาก่อนเรามาทำโปรเจกต์กันเขาก็โทรมาชวนผมว่าจะทำโปรเจกต์เรื่องของขึ้นไปวิ่งบนถนนที่สูงที่สุดในโลกริงลาพาสผมก็บอกเขาว่ามันคืออะไรเพราะผมไม่รู้จักนะครับเขาก็อธิบายให้ฟังว่าที่นี่ความกดอากาศต่ำออกซิเจนน้อยมากแล้วก็คนที่มาเที่ยวที่นี่อยู่บนจุดสูงสุดเนี่ยอยู่กันก็ไม่เกิน20นาทีก็ลงเพราะถ้าเราจะขึ้นไปทำงานกันที่นี่เพื่อจะทำ Green Red World Record เราจะต้องอยู่อย่างน้อย 2-3 ชั่วโมง
Yes. Yeah. So my transition has to be before the green line. Because I have to be like.
Yep.
Come from here all the way and then
Yep.
into the thing and finish.
Because I see this spell in my Google.
But it has to be bright and nice. But tomorrow देखा तूने कल देखा क्या है report?
Same thing.
Same thing.
Same.
Are you serious?
Even day after, same thing.
No.
It was like this even when we left. I mean, I saw the report that then also. But see, on top today also we got a window where it wasn't raining.
I'm saying I'm ready for it. I'm saying I'm ready for it. I'm saying I'm ready for it. But it's better if you do it in a day.
We have a star amongst us, Sanam, who's doing this, and it's absolutely his dream to, and he's gone through, proposing it and pulling it through. And so we just think that for tomorrow, next 2 days are extremely critical. We should have everything in place. We should plan our trips. We plan everything. Since we have a window of early mornings and late evenings, If we had the whole day, we could have left whatever time we wanted to. So whoever's necessary has to leave in the morning should leave in the morning. Whoever has to reach at a certain time can leave, come a little later. So the whole idea is we have the first half. The window is from about 7 o'clock in the morning till about 9 o'clock. We have a very decent window. As Anshuk says, the traffic will be less. So we should actually be ready to shoot by 7. And for that, the shoot team should be there by 6:30 or 6:45. You see your call. How long it takes for you to set yourselves up. As far as Sanam is concerned, as car is concerned, we are planning to leave at 5:15 so that we get the cars off the truck. Do whatever we need to do, see it's working properly. So that's the plan. And then we come back. Maybe we can come back, rest in the afternoon. 12 o'clock. We'll see how it goes. If we can continue shooting, we'll do it. But the idea is not to spend too much on that footage. Whoever's doing the camera job, I know you have a very tough job. You guys will just hang around. Maybe we can sit in the car. You guys are exposed. You guys are, it's a crazy, the altitude, the wind factor, the wind chill, everything. Your fingers, your toe, everything. So if you don't keep yourself fit, you're not going to. 5:15, everybody in the car, not hanging around. We leave at 5:15. Well, I'm 100% sure it's going to clear up in the morning. Let it rain tonight. Bring it on, I say. And tomorrow morning, it should be clear. The rest is up to God.
You